Hello everyone, it is Jake from Guzzler Reviews, and we are at the 2022 DC Auto Show taking a look at some of the hottest vehicles they have, and this is one of them, the Ford Ranger Tremor. We're going to take a quick walk around review of this vehicle. Let's get into it. Now let's talk about what makes the Ranger Tremor special. First of all, in the front, you're going to have this magnetic gray color grille with these red nostrils and the crossbars. It looks really great. Of course, LED headlights here. You can get on the standard Ranger, not just the Tremor. Then you get a wider stance of the vehicle, and it's also raised to 9.7 inches. That's going to give you 30.9 degrees of approach angle, so you're going to be able to get over obstacles better. In addition, the stiffness of the anti-roll bars was reduced to minimize off-road disruption, so they've done a really nice job making sure this vehicle is going to be off-road capable. There's one additional feature they've added to this vehicle, and that is skid and bash plates underneath. Now let's talk about the side of the Ranger. First of all, you have these huge 32-inch Continental General Grabber all-terrain tires. They are just really chunky tires right there. You have this cool side step, these kind of rock rails too, right there. In addition, the vehicle gets Fox monotube dampers, and something that makes the Ranger maybe a bit of a better candidate for off-roading compared to larger pickups is it has shorter overhangs at the front and rear than maybe say an F-150. That's going to give you better approach and departure angles. Also, as I mentioned, in the front, there is a factory lift on this vehicle. Now let's talk about the rear of the vehicle. First of all, I just want to let you know this color right here, this is the cactus gray color. Ford's offering it on a lot of their vehicles, including the new Maverick, which we will have a video about very, very soon. A full review, not just an auto show walk around. In addition, at the rear of this vehicle, there is a 5-foot bed, and it can carry around 1,430 pounds of payload and tow around 7,500 pounds, which is pretty good for the Ranger. Now, this tailgate is not damped, which is pretty disappointing. Looking in the bed, there's not too many gimmicks. No power outlet back here or anything like that, and it doesn't have the cool Maverick kind of flex bed system. I forget the exact name for it, where you can put the wood in, which is a really cool system. I hope to see other Ford trucks getting that feature very soon. Under the hood of the Tremor, you're going to find a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine putting out 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, and that's made to a 10-speed transmission. You can expect around 19 miles to the gallon combined. One thing I also forgot to mention is that the Tremor package does add an electronic locking differential. Let's talk safety. For a mid-sized pickup, the Ranger has a pretty good suite of safety features. First of all, you're getting a pre-collision system with auto emergency braking. In addition, you do have radar cruise control, a lane keep system, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. And in total, this vehicle has a 4-star safety rating. Now you join me on the interior of the Ranger. If you've seen any recent Ranger videos, you'll kind of know the interior here. The one addition the Tremor adds that's interesting is the auxiliary switches here. So you can put on something like a light bar and then run your electronics here, so that when you can flick the switch right here, you'll get like a factory experience almost to turn on your light bar or other accessory. The seats here are pretty stiff, but they do have Tremor kind of stitched into them, which is neat, and they're made of this like Alcantara insert with a little bit of leather, and they have some contrast stitching, which adds a little bit of visual flair. The infotainment system we can't turn on because this is a show vehicle. However, we'll try to get a new Ranger maybe to review for you all sometime in the future, and we can go through that, or you can take a look at one of our other more recent Ford videos with the sync system, not the large 12-inch infotainment system that like the F-150 has per se. Other than that, you do have buttons, of course, for your lockers in here. You have your 4-wheel drive control, and there's not too much else around here that's special for the Tremor. If you're liking our coverage of the 2022 DC Auto Show, be sure to like and subscribe. It would really make Hank the Robot's day. All right, folks, let's get back to it. Now you join me in the rear of the Ranger. There's a pretty good amount of legroom back here. You could definitely sit 4 adults comfortably, 4 6-foot-tall adults, as I am 6 feet tall. Pulling out the center will reveal 2 cup holders, but they don't have the little nubs. I forgot to mention the cup holders up front do have the little nubs. In addition, you do have 2 USB power outlets back here, a cigarette lighter, no air vents as far as I can tell, which is a little bit disappointing, especially kind of at this price point. So that's just something to keep in mind for your rear passengers. Coming in at $47,000 with that Tremor package costing around $4,290. This vehicle really is expensive. It's getting up into well-optioned F-150 territory. but this may be the perfect truck for you. If you want a vehicle that can do your everyday driving, but is going to be a really competent off-roader, this vehicle's slightly smaller size might give it an advantage when it comes to that off-road portion, but it's not so small that it's going to be uncomfortable, and it will come with a lot of the amenities that one would expect, features like a lot of automated driving assist. Guys, thank you so much for watching our coverage of the 2022 DC Auto Show. We'll be posting videos throughout this week, so keep it locked to Gas Guzzlers. Take care and stay safe, folks. We'll see you in our next video.